Fingering exercise number 1. So today we are going to use this point finger. This is my left hand, and this is a right hand flute. I'm going to use my point finger, that is the first finger. So firstly I should know how to use my thumb. Just look at my thumb. This is how I hold it. And secondly, just place your point finger on the first hole. Don't use your tip finger, but use this space of your finger and place it and get this sound. Get this sound get this sound This is the first basic sound. Okay, look at me one more time. See, you need to hold it very tightly. I mean, if you use it like very loose, if your hands are very loose, the sound might not come. And when you're placing your fingers very tightly, your fingers should not like move, or flute should not shake. Okay, so that's very important. Just with one hole we can do lot of music. First, let's learn this first hole. Many variations we can do. Keep practicing, so you'll find a lot of magics. So my name is Aditya. You're watching Aditya Flutes. I'm flute teacher. If at all you want to learn or start your course, you can just contact us and we'll guide you through your course, and many more videos to come. Jai Hind.